Alrighty. Welcome to the Monday of the stream. Hello, Lily. Obviously, this isn't Monday, but it's Monday for the stream because I didn't do nothing yesterday. At least not on the stream. I wrote code and stuff, but elsewhere and other things. And by going live on the stream, I just realized all of my lights are out. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it kind of does feel like a Monday. Up here, it's rainy and overcast, which is perfect for Seattle. I mean, it completely makes sense. Why not be rainy and overcast, right? I mean, that just seems like the thing to do. But on that note, I'm gonna turn on the key light so that the green screen actually works, and I'm not just in darkness. Yeah, not surprising for Oregon either. That's the truth. Oh. Funny how light and green tends to work. And cords. Cords everywhere. Every damn place. Around my toes and my knees, tied me up to the chair. Anyway, yeah. So what are we doing today? What's everybody else doing today? What are you up to today, Lily? Let's see. Desktop browser. One thing we're going to get up to is some tunes here. I do not even know what's up with this one. The real question is there any sound? Working on a Magic 8-Ball project. It's 2 years stream anniversary tomorrow. New keyboard, huh? Mechanical keyboard? Like, just another keyboard? I had to unmute it. Learning new things about technology every day. The volume knob. So you're representing a little PDX there today. And you notice it's green. So it's disappearing, right? I have an invisible bicycle. Fourth mechanical keyboard. Razer Black Widow Light. Orange switches no right. Very nice. That's cool. I have the Woodsman, which is right there. Looking badass as always. I gotta rebalance since I messed up my video there. Yeah, I like it because it's got a volume knob, which I guess it doesn't really tweak the stream's volume. It tweaks my volume, like the main out to these puppies, which is super important because I'll actually crank up the music for me sometimes, but I keep it down on stream, so it's a little weird. But it's helpful to be able to control it autonomous of what's on the stream versus what I'm hearing. And then I got this puppy too. Yeah, it's got the choice buttons, right? So like depending on what you connect to it, yeah, it's pretty sweet. Hey, Ancient Coder, how are you? Just getting into doing something. Gonna be working some more on the Twits app that I've been slinging code on lately, and just getting some music playing and fiddling with the hardware. As Lily and I were noting, feels kind of like a Monday. Hey, Digital Drummer. Coming having a beer with you in an hour and a half. The Twits app. The Twits app is... So it's a CLI I've been working on kind of on and off. And basically, let's see what I have for documentation, because don't know if I've updated this lately. Let's just look at the nice documentation here. So this is the Twits app. I got it out there on GitHub and all. And basically, it's a CLI application. Oh, this doesn't look updated because I took this crap out last time. Oh, maybe I need a... Let's do this. Let's say... Let's get status. Git pull. Git push. Oh, that... Let's see here. Yeah, okay, there we go. So, yeah, last session... we swapped it over to use Go modules instead of Go dep because Go dep's going to be, I guess it's going to be phased out entirely. I don't really know, but it's not been it's not ever really been the de facto thing. It kind of became kind of the de facto dependency management for a while for Go, but it's never really been 100%. It was like 98%. Anyway, random pedanticness aside, modules is definitely the way Go is heading now, like 100%. It's in the framework. You turn it on with the Go modules variable. In this case, what I have done though is I use the Goland per project settings, so I can go in here and set the modules right here, enable Go modules, right? And I've just unenabled Go dep here because it can use either or. Right? You're in the aquarium swimming with the fish. Ooh. Yeah, so that's one of the things that we did last week. So we got switched over to that, and I edited it in the README. I think I did that after the session. We also broke the build because, that's the kind of shit you got to do sometimes. And really what I wanted to do was get it moved over to, whoops, that's not it, Azure DevOps. I don't even remember how to sign into this thing, really. Can I even do this? Let's see, I'm signing as that. Start free with GitHub. And basically what I need to do is I need to set up the repo. Oh, I got, wait. Yeah, I got Cassie Schema Migrator I set up in here last, about a month ago. It's one of the other projects. And then I started to set up the truck service base. I don't know what the status of this is, though. It might be green build, might not be. Not that it matters to this project. But what I need to do now is, let's see here. I'm using my DataStax account. So I don't know if I want to use Twits under my DataStax account. So maybe, let's see. What's another place to go? Oh, code build. That's actually what I was trying to think of. Let's go look at this. Yeah. Batch delete builds. Yeah, I don't really care about that. I want to write code against the thing. I just want to do code build. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to be the best route to go right now, but then there's also the Google thing. Let's go look at the Google code build CI server thingy. Yeah, cloud build. So they call it cloud build. An octopus. I'm sure they got octopuses at the aquarium. Probably squids too. Hell, I eat a squid or two every day at the sushi shop. Or every other day. So let's view docs. And go to console. Well, I don't want to go to console right now, but let's go look at that just to see what the deal is. Build history. Triggers. Build history. Run your container image builds in a fast... Oh, well, crap. I don't have a... I don't know about this. What should I use? Has anybody got any opinion about where to do builds for Go? I was gonna do Travis CI, but they just got bought by some company, and I don't know if I really want to deal with that. So this is for images. Does the Newport aquarium not have octopi? Octopi, octopus, octopies, octopies. 0 a buck. Oh, okay, that's fine. This is what I want, sort of. How we increase security? Oh, I'm not worried about that. So I don't know if I want either one of those. Maybe I do want to go back to Azure DevOps. There's a Go builder already in the thing, so let me go see if I can look at that Go builder. There's Cloud Build. So is that what I was just looking at? It looked like it was just container related. I mean, I guess I could. Yeah, I was thinking about Circle CI or something like that too, but also, okay. So I'm gonna try that then. Create a trigger. Oh, Snapples. So probably just do this, right? Yeah, do the thing. Let's pull up the repo here. So we're after twits. Get that. Probably, yeah, of course. Here, have access to all the things. Please don't make, okay, good. Close that. Oh, sweet. Okay, this is kind of what I was looking for. I think this will do it. Twits. Oh, come on, my freaking ass. It is that one. Why is hold on, let me get rid of Slack here. It's making noise at me. I don't like it when it interrupts me. LMNOP. Oh yeah, show all of them. Don't limit me here. Yeah, all right. So that should show it then, right? Yeah. All right. Thanks, Cylon Toast. ZZ00, however you want to do it. Well, come on. Enable the selector repository. Both verify that both billing and cloud source repository APIs is enabled. I own that frickin' account. What do you mean make sure they're enabled? Oh, never mind. That is the wrong thing. Hold on, I'm logging in real quick. This will take like just a few seconds here. Of course, I get angry when I'm actually using the wrong account. Shouldn't do that. I mean, I'm not really angry. Y'all know I'm not really angry. I'm just being hyperbolic and eccentric. Because why not? It's entertaining to be hyperbolic and eccentric. It's almost theatrical. That's such a bad pun. God, I'm gonna shut up for a second. How much is cloud? Enable cloud build API. Yes, please enable. Okay, so I got back in there and I'm enabling the contraption now because it wasn't enabled. What do you mean our aquarium's small? It's the whole freaking Puget Sound. Okay, that's obviously not true, but you know. If it were, it'd be freaking huge. Be like the biggest aquarium in the universe. Come on. Thing. Oh, and I remember I wrote issues too to work on, so we're working on this build first though, because Oh, yes, please select the repos. Twits. There we go. The other thing I need to do pretty badly is I need to add tests to this. Just integration tests if need be. Because I started the project and it's already not got tests, and that's garbage. That's not good. Yeah. Yeah, well, you know, I got to keep my secret secret, right? Always a challenge when I'm just like spitting them out on the screen. Like, here's my freaking SSH key in fully copy and paste type mode almost. Let's hear push to any branch. Push to... Yeah, that's fine. Just do all of them. Docker file build, cloud build configuration file. I'll do this. What? Whoa. The hell just happened? Oh, yeah, there we go. Cloud build YAML. Oh, that means I need to figure out how to do a cloud build YAML, right? See, we're working on where we're at. Get the build fixed. Oh, does cloud build have? Well, it'll have a badge. I'm sure it will. Creating custom steps. Now, build configuration overview. Structure of the build YAML. Oh, quick starts for Go. Sweet. Oh, and they got Packer. Oh, because images. That's kind of badass. I did that. Install, initialize cloud SDK. Oh, let me do that. Bloop. Oh, this is such a trash terminal. I really need to change. I need to switch to Budgie or get Telex. What was I doing? Oh, yeah. What? All right, let's get the SDK installed, which I could have sworn I had installed. What? No, forget it. I'm just gonna do. Let's do this. That's correct. You can't use the project. This is what I want. Yeah, the cloud SDK. Weezy! What is this? Quick start for... And run. Yeah. Okay, so echo. Is this a key? Oh yeah, it's just adding the list for the repo. And then we want to curl. Oh, there's already a paste right there. I didn't pay attention to that. So update. I'm gonna do it manually. Sudo apt-get update. I'm gonna say sudo apt-get install. Sudo apt-get install Google Cloud SDK. Right? Does that look good? Yeah. Well, what's that say? Change this label value from Oracle Java JDK 8 installer PPA to Oracle Java crap discontinued. Okay. Well, I don't really care about Java right now. I wish Java wasn't such a train wreck half the time. It's really frustrating. I'd use it for more things, but go ahead, Oracle. Just keep doing wonky, wacky ass stuff. Make it hard for all of us to try to build software with Java. I'm sure every Java head is like, you know what you're talking about, Adrian? Java's easy to use. You just get Maven and use 5,000 dependencies like everything else. Of course, that is true. But I don't have to deal with that stupid message that just popped up. You know? I'm not even trying to write Java right now. It fusses in my update statement. Anyway. Just fix yourself. Just fix it. That's what it should do. I'm sure I would fuss about something then, or somebody would fuss about it then if it did that. If it like self-managed itself. At least .NET ain't like that anymore. .NET's freaking clean. Or .NET Core, I should say. I don't know about the whole .NET. Oh god, it's a whole beast of things still. Okay, so that if installing the Cloud SDK inside a Docker image, use a simple run command. Troubleshooting tip: echo. Oh, did I install the right thing? Shit. Oh, okay. Yeah. So then cloud init. Want to do that. Yeah, there we go. You must log in. Would you like to log in? Yes, please let me log in. So and you see, and then I do this. So you don't get to see any of my passwords, so I'm gonna let you see this. And that's what the G-Cloud login does. And honestly, I gotta say, I'm gonna rant here for a minute. Or not rant, I'm gonna massive kudos. Massive. How do I say all of them? Ah, shoot, I picked the wrong one probably. Get out of here. Yeah, so anyway, what I was saying is I just want to talk about this for a second because this is important. Seriously, if you've used the AWS CLI and you use the Azure CLI and you use the G-Cloud CLI, which we've just installed, you realize that the G-Cloud CLI installation process and setup is badass. Answer this. What language stack does the G-Cloud CLI use? Does anybody know? Any guesses? You don't have to know. That's the answer. Because Google's team that builds G-Cloud has done such a good job making the install clean and making the usage clean that it's autonomous of, and you don't need to know what it's written in. That's how a CLI should be, right? I would almost think that it's written in Go. I happen to know it's not, but that's how you install a Go CLI. You put the executable there and you just run it, right? Very simple. You don't have to install framework. You don't have to do any of that other stuff. However, the dependencies come along with G-Cloud, so it works pretty freaking well. But like with the AWS CLI, when you install that, the thing that is just annoying is if you have a slightly off version of Python, or you've got the wrong version selected, or what are some other crazy things that happen? Or you have the wrong pip set up, or you don't have pip set up, or you have the wrong pip version selected for the wrong version of Python. You can't get the CLI installed correctly for the version of Python that you need to execute it for your AWS account. Once you get it installed, sure, it's fine. It's great, whatever. But the thing is you have to manage your Python bullshit on your machine to make sure that it works. Sure. One could argue, well, the default installation on Mac OS or the default installation in Ubuntu just sets up Python for that, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's true. But heaven forbid you have to do anything with Python, right? Because then if you change it, you've botched it up, right? You got complexities to deal with that introduces ramifications of breaking changes to your system all the way down the CLI. Same thing with Azure. They had written it in Node.js, which by no means is any better because if you write something in Node.js for the CLI, you have to take into account all of the damn dependencies that Node.js has per the OS. So you have to get Node.js, you have to build Node.js specific to the operating system, whether it's CentOS or Debian-based or Windows or Mac OS, right? Or some other variant. You have to get the whole thing. You have to set it up, let it build itself. Usually you have to do an npm install and some other blah, 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 crap, whatever, to get up and going, right? So that's the problem with a CLI and Node.js. I feel like I should really just do a whole presentation on stop building CLIs in languages that are just shit for it. But I digress. Some people do a really good job. The thing is whatever you use, you gotta clean it up or it becomes a hassle down the line for maintainers or administrators or whatever we call ourselves these days, DevOpsies, opses, whatever. And that's not cool. It's super frustrating. It should be a clean, executable, like what HashiCorp builds with Terraform and all that stuff. Innsbro, thank you for the follow and welcome to the pit. Exactly, Foo for the city. Well, that's actually a tongue twister. Foo for the city. Yeah, Foo for the city. That's exactly it. It's like you don't want to have to require an arbitrary runtime outside of the CLI itself. That's why I say, like, even though gcloud, which from my understanding is written in Python, you don't know that. Like, you get the thing, you install it, and then you init it against your account, and then you use it, right? That's how CLI should work. You should be able to install it and use it, not install it and then say, oh shit, now I have to figure out how like Node.js builds or installs, and then I have to know how NPM works, and then blah, blah, blah to get a Node.js CLI to work. Same thing with all sorts of other languages. You shouldn't have to do that. If you're going to write a CLI, do it the Unix way. Simple, single purpose, focused, boom, done. You know, and if anybody ever needs an example, go check out HashiCorp's stuff. They are freaking awesome at what they put out. Sometimes the docs have been a little rough, but as far as the CLIs themselves, pretty on point. It's some of the best CLIs I have seen on the market, period. And then, of course, the gcloud one, really, really good. I don't know too much about some of the other Google CLIs, but from what I have seen, the other CLIs are pretty top bar too. Anyway, back into the mix here to get this CI built. So yeah, let's see here. We got gcloud installed. I don't even actually know what. Yeah, HashiCorp is freaking two horns up, rock and roll, good stuff. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know what I needed that for. I got all crazy and just installed it, and then I started logging in. Where's the login? Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna. What the legit Dedico? Oh, that's not me. Okay. So I'm doing 2 thrashing code because that's what we're doing. I'll do compute and region. I want to do West 1. Oh crap, I forget. Oh wait, with Google it's we'll do 13 because that is the data center nearest to us, just down there by the Dalles River data center. So what is this all? Oh yeah, so we should be good to go here. And then if I do like gcloud, oh well, get out. So if I do gcloud images list, right? Oh no, it's right, compute images list, right? And boom, there we go. Okay, so we know it's installed. We know it's working. Rock and roll, right? Hey, and we don't even know if I have Python on this machine. You know, it's like I'm just doing what I need to do. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, moving forward. What was I doing next? So we did that. And then, we're trying to do a Go. Oh, that's right. We're doing a Go build. My head wasn't attached to me. I'd lose it every day. Cloud storage bucket to push the thing to. I always got to build one of these stupid things. I should be doing this in Terraform. If I got to make peripheral crap to keep up with. So let's hear GS util. That's installed, right? Yeah, okay. That should come with gcloud. MB, make bucket, I guess. And then, what's a bucket name? Globally unique bucket name. Oh, let's do with thrashing code builds. Yeah, does that work? Woohoo, sweet. We got it. Okay, and then what? Oh yeah, of course nobody has that because it's such a dorky name. Yeah. Okay. Configure the build. You specify the actions you want to build in the thing. Right, in the same directory that contains main.go, create a cloud build thing. Okay, so we need to go to the codes directory, and in there, go into the Twits project, and in here, what do they want us to build? Cloud-build.yaml. Cloud-build.yaml. And then, let's see, where's my, boom. There's the new thing. I'm going to hit a Control-A to add that to my next commit. And then what do we do? What do we do here? All right. Same directory, add this thing. At build time, Cloud Build automatically replaces project ID with your project ID. Okay, that's good to note, I guess. The config file above contains 2 steps: the name of the build, to the builder that is used to execute the task, and the args field to whatever. Okay, we're gonna take this and let's just try to put it in here. That's not the project root. Twits. Args. Oh, I don't need any args, do I? Name, go, cloud builder. Oh, okay, I guess that's the thing. I just want to do a build. Oh, I see what it's doing. So that's install, project root. Maybe Twits. Let's go over here and look quick. So it says use this thing. The config file above contains 2 build steps. The name of the build steps refers to the builder that is used to execute the task. The env field, environment field, I'm assuming, takes the environment variables to be used when running a step. Okay, project root. Hello. Artifacts, objects, location, build bucket, paths. Well, I'm going to put Twits in there, see what happened. Start the build by running the gclouds build submit command. Meh. Okay. Does this even cost much? All right, well, let's util remove the freaking bucket. What? Oh, that's for the quick start. But I want to keep building the thing. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to keep building it. So we'll just set it up. Cloud build page. Substitution variables. Okay, create trigger. So that should catch anything with the build configuration in that. Like Cylon mentioned before. And then let's get in here. Oh, this is just a redundant thing there. Ah, close the docs. Damn it. Well, anyway, let's go back to Golan here. And this should be Twits. And then in Go Build, push any branch. And where's my buckets? Browser for the bucket. And then it's called Thrashing Code Builds. Thrashing Code Builds. Yeah. All right. So get status, hit add. Let's use the little IDE one just for fun. All right, there we go. Initiating and transitioning to Google Cloud Build. All right. So now the question is what's up? I don't know. We'll see. What will it do? I'll be shocked, honestly, if it works right out of the box here. Oh, you get it free. Oh, by the way, hey, Customan. Setting up a build for Go for the Twits app. Trying to use Google Cloud Build for that. It was on Travis, but Travis is has been purchased by that other company that I don't know what they're exactly doing. So I just wanted to get it set up with one of the big cloud providers, you know. So it seems like, I'm already using Azure DevOps, which I hate saying because it's just wrong. I already use Azure DevOps for 2 different projects I have, so I wanted to use a different one for this. And Google Cloud seems like the appropriate one to put a Go project in. So here we are, trying to get this to work in Go. So I've added the cloud build.yaml file and set up a build. Just did a push via GoLand. And now let's see, let's see what's happening. Oh, hopefully it should just take the build, right? Oh, this is the bucket. I don't want the bucket. I want to go back to cloud build here. There it is, cloud build. Oh, it broke. Okay, so but that's a start, right? That's good. So let's go down here and pin this sucker. There it is, cloud build. Boop. Did I get it? I did get it. Okay. So there we go. Nationalized empty git repository from blah blah blah. Fetch head. Head is now this thing. Build starting step 0. Already have image. Right, creating shadow workspace and symlinking source. I wonder how I can. I bet I need to set it up so. Yeah, we were talking about Circle CI a little earlier. Digital Drummer mentioned it. But let's see what they do for Go. I used CodeShip a while back too, and they're real easy. See, I need to enable module support too. That's way more than I needed. Demo Go reference project. Okay, and it includes Postgres. That's kind of cool though. I don't know. I might go back to that and give them a shot, or even try CloudShip again, just because I have previous experience. But I want to get this to work. So this broke, but it looks like it's a modules thing, and I don't really know why I need Go install either. Let's see here. Cloud build enable modules. So we got here set project. Yeah, did that. Did this, configured the bucket, build, I mean. So I did that junk. The config file above contains 2 steps, right? We did that, start the build, issue the build with that, blah, blah, blah. And then it shows the history. Isn't there, yeah, I was gonna say just set, yeah. Thank you for that, Food for the City. So that means I should be able to go to, oh yeah. Let's just put it in the repo, right? I wonder if I can set 2 of these like this. You think? Maybe? Like that? And then I don't know if this is needed. I'm gonna actually take that out as a step. Let's give that a go. What is this? Oh yeah, that's the, okay. I see what you got there, Cylon Toast. Cool. Yeah, that's what I was kind of guessing. And, you know, crossing the fingers for. I mean, I've had XML that's supposed to be case insensitive be case sensitive before. Have nightmares about that shit. Sometimes JSON's done some weird stuff to me too, where, oh yeah, you just put in whatever, and then it's like some weird case sensitive arbitrariness. Yeah, XML is gross. Go install. What is it doing? Why is it fussing? All right, get out of the way. I'll do the command line. I shouldn't need to do hello because it's, oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, let me. That's the right. It's trying to build the wrong damn thing. All right, git add. Working on the build. Enabling modules. Hopefully. Excuse me. I wonder if I can see. Like, oh yeah, there you go. Boom, pretty quick. At least pretty quick starting the build. I don't know what it's going to do now. Did it say 22 seconds already? Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's definitely using modules now. That's what I would have expected to see. I wonder if the build will go faster. I wonder if it'll like cache the modules, like if it knows kind of what to do with that type of thing. Error, build step 0. Cannot find module providing package twits. Why can't you? What is this error? Can it just not find my reference? I mean, it's out there on GitHub. Like you said. Yeah, okay. What version of Go are you using? Go version. Pre-built modules, proxy Golang org. Oh yeah, that'd be kind of okay. Let's use that array. Well, I'm just gonna go in here and do. Comma. Boom. There we go. So why is it not? What do you think it is not picking up mine for? That's kind of weird. Adding Go proxy for the speeds. $49. That's not too bad. I already have image. Can't load package twits. Oh, does it need to be? Maybe that? So what do you think? Can't load the package. Twits. Build twits. So it starts building that, Oh, but is it? Do I even need build twits? Isn't gonna run go build? All I need is go build, right? Let's actually try that. I mean, I know that's probably just trying to add the name or something, but minor tweak to build. All right. Oh, and let's do this. It's here. Google Cloud build repo badge. What is this shit? Oh, no. There's got to be an easier way to do it than this. I don't want to have to write the whole badge. I just want the badge. Yeah. But, yeah, so... build. Yeah, I think no target will work. We'll find out in a second, though. Let's go see how it's doing. Did it break already? Oh, snap. Yeah, it just built. Oh, what you said then, Food for City, that would totally work too, right? Because that's the actual path to the module dependency itself is what it needed, not just an arbitrary name of the executable. So that makes sense. It's trying to pass build. Yeah, because you have to pass the name, you would have to pass the, was it dash name or something like that. That's cool. Sweet. So excellent. The new build is working. But the question is how do we get a damn badge going on here? Well, I guess add cloud build badge in 2 minutes. All right. I don't really want to do it this way. This is the top result, so I'm assuming kind of that there isn't a badge out there. Let's look again real quick. Google Cloud Build Repository Badge. Step status and build history. No? How's open source? Yeah, I don't think I want all this. I want to just go back to Google Cloud Functions, Analytics Reporting API. A lot of good stuff, but kind of annoying there. Badges in your README. Yeah, this is what I want, right frickin' there. All right, well. I can't believe they don't have the badge. I'm definitely liking Azure DevOps. Even though I don't like the name, I'm liking the fact that they just have this stuff available for immediate use. All right, but we're gonna try this out. Okay, create a cloud storage account. We just did that, and our build is in there. So I'm gonna assume. I know, right? Like I don't even know if it succeeded or not. I can't tell what's going on when I go to the repo. So we got a storage bucket. We created a folder in the bucket named build. Okay. Well, actually, we didn't do that. Let's go do that. So go over here to the bucket. And let's go in the bucket. How do we... Can I just create a folder? Yeah, okay. So there's build. Let's do that. And there's twits. There's the artifacts. 13 megabytes. Jeez, it does like 4 things. Anyway. Then download failure and success badges. Alright, so save as well, we'll put them on the desktop for now. Needs to be in bucket. There's save. There is passing. Upload both badges to the Google storage thing, of course. So let's get in here to build. Then upload files. Desktop. Need to be in bucket. Bucket files. There they are. Okay, so those are there now. Then create a placeholder for your badge. Your bucket build badge ID. SVG. Make permissions public. Well, what the hell are these? Are these in the... Wait, use registrations to alternate. Oh, this is bullshit. This is deploy the cloud function as the badge name. Gcloud is... Okay, never mind. I'm not doing this. You have to like clone the repo and put the repo in a thing and then use Gcloud stuff to deploy. Yeah, I'm not deploying a... Cool work, but no go. I'm not putting a bunch of Node.js shit somewhere. Let's go in here and we'll kill build. Delete that. Delete. All right, well, so that really kind of pisses me off. I should have checked that first. Let's hear Circle CI. Go. I know Circle CI has stuff, and I think, and I'm sure CodeShip does too. Let's look at CodeShip and let's go look at CodeShip build badges. Sign in. I know I've been in here before, so let's sign in with GitHub. New project. Let's use GitHub. Install. Make sure you have installed the CodeShip GitHub app. Where do you want to install CodeShip? I guess here. We'll do all repos. Install. All right, so organization, me, and then repo, twits. I bet you this takes like half the time. What? CodeShip Pro, native Docker support, fully customizable CI environment, works out of the box when installed. Actually, I just want to do this stuff. I don't even want to do the Docker thing. Yeah, okay, so and then let's pick, I know they got Go, yep. Git, I don't need Go. I do need oh, I need to switch to a new version of Go, so. Oh, fiddlesticks. This could be hard. All right, off to Circle CI then. Let's see about Circle CI. This is making me kind of nuts here. This should not be this damn hard. All right, start building for free. That's what I want to do. I want to sign up with GitHub. And yeah, sure, whatever. Do the whole thing. Where is Twits? Where is Twits? There's Twits. New. I guess everything's new. Alright, so we just added Twits. And then, oh god, I got so many freaking awesome projects to freaking add. Set up new. I don't. Oh, yeah, this is what I want. Twits, set up project. Can I do both? Oh, they got Mac. You know, maybe Circle CI is like the bomb, and I'm just going to start building everything on here. It could happen. Create a folder named Circle CI and add a... Okay, so I need to do that. So Circle CI. Go in here. Cloud build is going away. Delete, delete. Let's add a directory called, what do they call it? Circle CI. Yeah, Circle CI. Then in there, we're going to add a new file called config.yaml. Right? Oh, let's follow their exact instructions. YML. We'll add that to the thing. So the file path is that, yes. Okay, populate the YAML with the contents of a sample YAML. Copy to clipboard. Let's get in there and do this. But let's change this to 1.11.4. Is that even what? I think that's what I'm using. Go version 1.11.5. Let's do that. Oops. And then service dependencies, not worried about that. Run, let's do just go build. And this should be Adrian Twits. Right? That looks good. Spiny bash command here, prefix would run. Okay, so go build, go test. This I'm gonna comment out because we'll come back to that. Because like I said, that still needs added pretty badly. Oh, and then let's see if I can actually use the interface this time. All right. Please do all the things. What is it? Keeps fussing about something. Switching to Circle CI. Oh, I just needed. I can't use the same text. That's pretty smart, actually, as the previous commit. I just wasn't paying attention, I guess. Damn it. All right, so merge, what? Oh yeah, let's merge. You know how to do that, Git. You can do it. Except mine. Yeah, just delete that sucker. Okay. This is what I get for using an interface. Boom. Thank you. Oh man, of course Pretzel just starts playing something that bugs me. Oh, that's not it. cancel because there were conflicts. Oh, that's the old message. No. Too much keyboard. Play some damn metal. Oh. Okay. I heard that one. I heard that one. That sounds kind of cool. Let's go with that. Okay, from this perspective though, let's go ahead and wipe this out. We're gonna get rid of this one. And then go back into here, use the sample, did that. Push change up to GitHub. Start building. Okay, so we just did that, right? Git push, yeah. And it's irrelevant. Okay. So then start building. Building. Oh, this song was for sale on Theme Force. Now I'm paranoid about it. I like it though. Let's do that. Let's do this. Failed. Oh, bet I have to put the environment in there again. Okay, so how do I add? Let's see here. Circle CI. I need to add an environment variable. Add environment variable. Then we'll use foo for the city's go proxy command and the other environment variable to turn on go modules. Oh, this looks like it could be complicated, but we'll figure it out. Source run image. Oh. So you just do that in the command? Like in, oh, there it is. And then let's see if that'll do it. Oh, that is not what I intended to write. Git commit enabling modules in the build script. There we go. All right, shove them in there. Get that shit in there. Yeah. Okay, now let's bounce over here. Oh, do I have to do, oh crap. Do that. Oh, I'll go back to that in a second. Let's see what it says though. Running. So it should break in just a second, unless it, oh, it seemed to, oh, boom. That's what it was. I tell you, Go modules, pretty damn sweet. Seriously. That is some excellent execution. Whoops, that was Twitch. Twitch coming at me, smacking me in the face right there. Come on. All right. Okay, so we got the bash variable set up. We got it running on to get web notifications. When you click here to activate web notifications. Rerun workflow. Let's look in here. Project environment variables, advanced settings, chat notifications. Oh, I bet you could do it in Slack. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, and status badges. Here we are, professionals at Circle CI. Yeah, this is what I want right here. This is exactly what I want. So don't need that. And sorry, Google, but that's just not cutting it at all. I'm going to have to go use Circle CI, another tertiary service outside of the cloud, which is kind of par for the course, I guess. We're going to get down in here. Boom. And let's replace this build status. Right here. And I need to add the one for the issues too. Updating build status to Circle CI badge. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so trippy looking. Nice. Loving it. Freaking loving it. Oh yeah, new build already. 5 seconds ago, 2 minutes. Good suggestion. Seriously, I am just a few seconds and I am impressed. And Kuskaman, we have now a service that doesn't have the uselessness to it. So we're doing good here. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so get that closed there. Let's go back to the issues here and talk about this issue for a minute. Let's hear. Went through the battle, fought diligently, but Google Cloud build failed to have a reasonable badge. AWS build, well, we didn't. Then we gave Circle CI a try, and it was beautiful. Hell yeah. Shout out to, let's hear. Are you on GitHub, Kuskaman? Yeah. Build the passing badge added. Is that you? I have no idea if that's you. Got some code in there though, huh? Doing something. Private oh, it shows private repositories now? I did not realize that. That's pretty kick-ass. I don't really pay attention to those things for anything other than pure entertainment. Just pure entertainment. All right, so on that note, I got like 2 minutes to get going and prepare to shut this down because it's time to have a beer with Digital Drummer. He's here in town on his way to the High Life. That's a place out here in Ballard. So Divided Part 2 sounds fun. So we closed that issue, and it looks like it's time for rating someone who is doing something cool on Twitch right now. That's what we need to know. Program is out there coding on something, or is he just streaming his channel again? I think he's just streaming random stuff. We got Syntag. Amir is doing some stuff. Visual Studio is doing something. Meet the ASP.NET documentation team or something. Zorchenheimer is coding. 8-bit NES assembly games. C# Fritz is coding. Do Right is coding. Who should we raid? What's the vote, y'all? Any input there? Let's see here. I think we should. See, I'm going to take a peek at C# Fritz real quick and Zorchenheimer and see what's up. And then, it's your multi-tenant design. He's doing some, is he doing SignalR? Of course, some freaking ads show up and I can't tell what they're actually doing. See, I'll show y'all what I'm looking at here. Here's Zorchenheimer. And here's C# Fritz. So Gareth is over there. Finishing up the workday. So I don't have any idea what they're doing. So I got one ad supporting Twits and one doing C# Fritz. So who do we raid? Let's see here. Pop that off.
Yeah, and the feature will know how to.
So he's slinging some C# right now.
The feature will expose a get so that.
And let's see what's Zorchenheimer doing.
its angle.
Oh yeah,
Right, depending
doing
on,
some
on
assembly
how
again.
far off center it is. The further off center, the more extreme the angle. And
Yeah, I think we'll raid
there
C#
will be
Fritz this time.
cases.
We'll ping into Sorchenheimer next time. So let's raid C# Fritz here. Raid C# Fritz. C# Fritz. Yeah. So the countdown has begun. In the meantime, I hope you all join me for the raid on C# Fritz.